Hi everyone, my name is Paramasivam, son of Morgan, and my register number is 03DDT18F2058. I am the leader of my project, and we will present our final year project.
Hi everyone, my name is Kishore Kumar, son of Jiva Kumar, and metric number is 03DDT 17F2025.
Hello everyone, my name is Vimalnath, son of Murugia. My matrix number is 03DDT18F2045.
Hi everyone. Okay, our first thing is introduction of our project. E-loss item tracker. Electronic, that means electronic loss item tracker. We name it ELI. Is an online website for students and staff in Polymas who lost their belongings in the campus to lodge a complaint in the website about their lost belongings. This website provides a medium to receive complaint via the internet from the student and the staff. With the system, it is hoped that it will facilitate the student and staff to lodge a complaint about their lost belongings. All the complaints will be stored in our database, and all the students and staff can view the complaint made in our website. Students and staff can provide necessary information about their lost belongings in our website. This can help in locating their lost belongings easily. For example, the person who found a specific belongings, they can directly contact the owner or return the item they found to the office and update in our system. Also, user need to select the category of the item they lost first when loading a complaint in our website. Secondly, they must enter relevant information about the item they lost. For example, the color or picture of their belongings. Before that, the person who wish to lodge a complaint must log in into our website and must take responsibility when making a complaint in order to prevent false or fake complaints.
Problem statement. There is no system that can facilitate the recording of lost item by owners who lost of or found by students or employees of Polymas. Often, the information of missing item found by Polymas student and staff look a long time trace the real owner through an informal medium such as WhatsApp group or Telegram or Facebook. At the same time, it's difficult to generate reports for lost item cases by monthly or type of
So
items.
next, let us take a look of the objective of the project. Our objective is to build an electronic loss information system to track lost items. Second, to reduce the length of time taken to track lost item between two parties involved. And third, to able to generate reports of lost item either monthly or type of items.
Scope of our project. There are four scopes to our project: add, update, delete, and search. For the first one, adds information to the missing item either by the owner or those who found it. Update. Updates lost item information by the system admin or two parties involved. Delete. Delete incorrect information entered by two parties involved for lost item. Search. Make a search for lost item by system user.
Project signification. The signification of this project is enable user to submit their complaint automatically through their mobile device or web page. Based on application in this proposed system, administrators able to manage and collect the user complaint effectively.
Okay, now let us take a look at the methodology. The first one is planning requirement. So in planning requirement, we see who are the users, staff and student of Polymas and also the admin. Next, system requirement. we build an electronic loss information system to track lost item, reduce the length of time taken to track lost item between two parties involved, and third, able to generate report of lost item either monthly or type of item. Second, analysis and design. Param.
Okay, for the analysis and design, we have software, hardware, and the design. For the first one, software, we use PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for our project. For the hardware, we use PC, smartphone, and normal internet connection. For the design, we use login page, normal login page, and main page, complaint page, and update page. After that, delete page, search page, statistic page, and database design. For next, we kitchen.
Okay, for the implementation, the design translated into source code using the relevant source and hardware. Database with proper attributes will be created using PHP MyAdmin. And then the testing statements. Once the coding is complete and their mobile are related from the testing, and this in this phase the deployment software totally thoroughly and defect the fund of assignments. That's all. Param. Vimal.
Okay, next is the deployment. Once the product is tested, it is deployed in the production environment for user acceptance testing and done depending on customer expectation. A replica of product environment is created and the customer and the developer does the testing. If the customer finds the application as expected, then sign off is provided by the customer to go live. Electronic loss item tracker. Here we have to sign up first as for a new user. So the sign up button here will ask user to enter your IC number. Okay, and next user must enter password and confirm the password. After clicking next, the information here will be stored in the database. So this is the personal information page. Here user will be asked to enter full name, login as a student, enter phone number, enter email address, and select department. So after successfully registering, information should be stored in the database. So here as we see, this is the user page where username and password are stored. And for personal details table, and here, this is where the personal details are stored. Okay, next we will use the username to log in. So if your password is wrong, it will show here invalid username or password. So after logging in, the system will take us to the main page of electronic lost item tracker. Next.
Okay. My name is Parmesan and I will be explaining about our website and my topic is report. Remember, go to a report, the loss report. Okay, this is the interface of our complaint form. Go down, remember. Okay, if someone lost their belongings or lost their things, they can fill in this form. First thing is their full name. Remember? And the email address, the contact number, okay, what type of the belongings are they must categorize them. For example, a jewelry. Okay, the place where they the specific thing about the item, ring. Okay, the date or the day they lost their belongings. Okay, the place where they lost their belongings, Makmal 2.0. Okay, for the description, you must describe the lost item. Like the ring has a red gem on it. With red gem. Okay, if the user has taken a picture, the user can upload it in our database. You know, choose a picture. Okay, and finally, the user must agree that these informations are true. Agree? And upload the complaint. Okay, data is inserted successfully. It will show a message if the data is saved in our database. Remember, back to home and okay, show the database. Okay, okay, there you see the data will be stored in our database with the pictures. Same as the found item report. Remember, found item. Okay, the same method we will use in this report also. Fill in all the things and the data will save in our database.
Okay, I today is explain about the view page. Human, show the view page. Okay, first of all, you can see the user. Okay, the person who lost their item or belongings, his name and email address, contact number, and which type of category of item, and then item specification, date of loss, and place of loss, and the description. And also for more information is about the image. You can find if you lost your item at here, and then you can see all of thing here. Okay, back to home page, and then show the found item, and then found item is also the same thing.
Okay, next, let us take a look at the statistics. The statistics, okay, the statistic here is generated based on the database. So here we have one accessory and one jewelry. So our pie chart here will show 50-50. Statistic will be generated every month. So this statistic page is for lost item, and next we will take a look at for the found item statistic. As we see, it is the same as lost item statistic page.
Now I will explain about the feedbacks. Remember, okay, send feedback. Okay, if user have any ideas for develop our system, if they want to suggest anything, they can send us some feedbacks in this form. Remember, do you achieve your goal? Yes. What was the reason for your next visit? To report about a lost item or anything. Is about the user. What was the reason you could not achieve your goal? Other reason. Okay, do you have any suggestion? Okay, if nothing, there will be nothing. Okay, none. And you can submit it. And the feedback will insert into our database and show the database number. There. The user has been insert the data in the database or the feedback. Okay, the next one. Okay. Some okay. For the view page, the everyone can see the feedback of our website. If there is a problem, other users can also give a feedback to our admins.
Okay, now we talking about us. About us is about our team, and then our supervisor. This is our supervisor in charge, Jusro Rizal, and then our team leader is Paramesrivam, and then that's me, Kishore Kumar, and then another teammate is Vimalna. Back to home page. After this, we're talking about the logout button. Logout will extend from this page, and then yes, okay, you cannot log in back after you log out. That's all. Thank you.